G'day, Andrew Alexander from InTrade Crop Science here today on farm to demonstrate our new product, CleanSlate Boom and Tank Decontaminator. We're here with Trevor. Trevor's just going to show us how to use it on his equipment. G'day Trevor.
How you going?
As with anything on farm, always start with safety. So make sure you're wearing appropriate PPE, eye protection and follow all label directions. Once you finish spraying, immediately drain all equipment. Step 2, rinse the inside with at least 1/10 of the tank's capacity in clean water. Flush the boom, lines and nozzles to clear visible residues, then drain thoroughly. For large tanks, add CleanSlate at the recommended rate. Agitate for at least 15 minutes, then flush through the boom and nozzles. In a separate mix of water and CleanSlate, clean nozzles, diaphragms, screens and filters separately in a fresh solution of 25 ml of CleanSlate per 10 litres of water. After your final flush, finally rinse the tank with clean water and flush again. To be sure, test a susceptible plant with the rinsate before spraying your next crop.
I reckon cleaning the boom spray is like cleaning a toilet. It's pretty hard to clean a toilet without cleaner.
It's tough on chemical build-up, safe on your equipment and makes tank cleaning quick and easy. And that's where InTrade CleanSlate Boom and Tank Decontaminator comes in. It strips out chemical build-up, protects your gear and keeps every switch clean and safe.